Hi students, it's Heidi here and I'm with the Brilliant Dyslexic and we're going to do some sound juggling today. So the first thing I want to say, this word here says letters, and right now don't worry about the letters, they don't matter. Just listen for the sounds that are coming out. What we're going to do is we're going to juggle some sounds around in words. So for this one, I'm going to take off a sound. Here's the first one, and I'll show you what we'll do. This is the word height. What happens in height if I take off the t? You're now left with high, I. That's basically what we're going to do. Sometimes we'll wind up with a real word, and sometimes we'll wind up with a pretend word, and those sound really silly, so they're kind of fun. So this one is soap, soap, soap. What is soap without the p? It is so. Here's the next one. This one is goat, goat. What is goat without the t? We're left with go, go. Here is the next one. It is fight, fight. What is fight without the f? You're left with ite. This one is sun, sun. What is sun without the s? You're left with un, un. This next one is jeep, jeep. What is jeep without the p? You're left with g, je. Here is the next one. It is o-n, o-n. What is lone without the n? You're left with low, o-o. Here's the next one. It is r-a-k, r-a-k. What is rock without the k? You're left with ra, r-a. The next one is hame, hame. Not a real word, right? Sounds silly. What is hame without the m? It is hay, a. Here's the next one, and it is beat, beat. What is beat without the b? You're left with eat. That's all we're going to do right now. I hope you have a great day.